Hello my friends. I hope you are well and happy. And we will start teaching today with energy. For installing VS Code, first enter on codevisualstudio.com. Then click the download section. Download the VS Code according to the operating system of your computer or laptop. For example, if the operating system is Windows 10 or 11, and depending on whether the system is 64-bit or 32-bit, select from the user installer and install VS Code on the system. When we install VS Code for the first time, we are faced with an environment. In the New File section, you can create a new file. The Open File option is to open a previously created file. The Open Folder option opens the folder with all the files inside in VS Code. And the next option is related on the Git, which we'll not talk about at the moment. In the recent section, the new project what we opened can be seen. Now let's go to the left sidebar. The first option, Explorer. Explorer is where we can access our files and manage open file and folders in this section, such as this. The next option is Search, which we can search in our files looking for a specific word, such as the name of a function or variable. The next option is related on source control that I will explain it later. And the next option is related on debugging of code. And the last option is extension that is related to installing VS Code plugins. If you want to install a plugin, we enter the search section and search the desired extension name and then install it. For example, I want to Atom Vandar. I installed it before. There is a range at the bottom for managing. If you click, you can easily enter different parts such as setting, setting, extension, or color theme. If you like light theme, you can choose light theme. It's a light theme. You can choose it. Dark grass is a default theme of VS Code. You can install other themes according to your favorite. If you want to enter the setting, either click on the range symbol or use a control comma. I use a control and comma together and enter of setting part of VS Code. The top bar is for searching. Pay attention to this part. When the mouse is placed on it, it's a written open setting JSON. The settings we applied will give us its JSON file. If you have made certain setting on your system and after a while, for example, you want to change your laptop, you want to create the same setting in the new laptop, just transfer the JSON codes to the new system. The setting part has a graphic mode and its codes are available in the JSON part. For example, in this section, the font size is 40, or we can change the font size to 16 from here or from here. from here or from here. So we can change the font size from here or from here. So these are exactly equivalent to each other. Now let's go to the top menu. We have the file menu, which gives a number of options. For example, to create a new file or open folder, create a new file, open the folder, open the file, save the file. In summary, there are things related to file management in this file menu. Look guys, here we have the autosave option, which is active and it makes it unnecessary to save the file every time we made changes in the codes. I suggest you activate this tick so that you don't have to save the file after every change. It is possible the power goes off while writing the code, and if the autosave mode is not activated, the changes made in the codes will not be saved. So I suggest you activate this tick. The next menu is the edit menu, which provides us a number of options for copying, pasting, finding, replacing. And for example, if you're looking for something, just press Ctrl and F. And if you want to replace the word, you can press the Ctrl and H. I want to search the hello. I press the Ctrl and F together and I write hello here. After that, enter, and then it's displayed the word hello in color. By using the arrows in your keyboard, you can move between several items. It's further replace the word, for example, hello, hello. It's enough to click replace option in the edit menu. Replace option in the edit menu or press Ctrl H together. I want to change the hello to welcome. Now the replace option is active for us. If click all replace here, all replace will replace the hello, will replace the all hello words with welcome. See, look here. If you click the first option, this one, each one will be replaced. The next menu are selection, and after that view, go, run, terminal, which we'll get to know later. And I want to explain the help menu in documentation. If you click on the documentation, you will visit the official VS Code website. If you click on keyboard shortcut references, the PDF file will open in the browser, which contains important VS Code shortcuts for us. Let me zoom in. For example, press Ctrl, for user setting. It's a general shortcuts. General shortcuts written such as search, find, replace. Find it in the reference shortcut. After a while, you will learn important shortcuts to use VS Code. Don't worry. In this session, you will learn how to install VS Code and what menu does it have. Install VS Code and get ready to go. Have a nice day. Bye bye.